everyone, today we're talking about something super important, how to keep your drone safe while flying. We'll show you how to avoid one of the most common drone mistakes people make. Let's dive in. Here's what we're going to learn. Even though DJI drones like the Mavic Pro, the Mavic 3 Enterprise and the Inspire 3 are super smart and have great cameras to avoid crashes, they're not perfect. Thin things like power lines or small tree branches can still trick them. So we'll show you how to stay safe and crash free. Let's go. DJI's drones have vision systems to help them avoid hitting stuff, like walls or big trees. But really thin things like power lines or small branches can be hard for the drone to see. So how do you avoid making this mistake? Before you fly, look around your area, spot any thin obstacles like wires or branches and make a note of them. While you're flying, stay alert. If your drone is getting close to something small, take control and move it away yourself. So here's what we learned today. DJI drones are super smart, but you need to be smarter. Watch out for thin stuff like wires and branches and stay clear of them to keep your drone flying safe and sound. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to always fly safe, have fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!